All right, guys, good afternoon to each and every one of you. This is Enogie, one of Deutschland, your number one most controversial investor in Enogie. Please, guys, help me to share this video. I believe it's okay now. It is clear right now, and I believe you guys can hear me now. Please, if you guys can hear me, say yes, you can hear me. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Share this video for me. May una come o. When I tell una that I say, may una not donate for more updates. Una coffee say, now because say me and I get issue. Okay? That's why I say may una not donate for them. May una come hear what they use the money do. What they donate for their children. This is the reason why this idiot Mumu updates the saga misses there. Because I not donate for their children. Because he not see me use the way he use your muscle. Or must will not talk say you not see this video since then with the flyer. No more updates. You must not give account of that money. If you not give account of the money where they donate for better children, God will punish you. This guy, I need to share this video. Share this video, guys. Thumbs up this video and share this video. Share this video for me. Because Mumu update is say smart. Mumu update you are. Where you can yourself, you say anything you talk for say that body, may we believe you say that truth. The one we say that talk for your body, you don't want me to believe say that truth. You don't want me to believe say that truth. Abi no so wagmo. At their business so this way. You say your family better pass my family. Boy. How your family take better pass my family. And they ask. There the family where I must go where no soon wagmo. Only me one. Hey, do saga for my family. Only me one. Mokba with saga with family. Please, guys, help me to share. I beg you to share this video. But for your family, go reach your other sister where they call kids. They do saga. All of them go reach Sarah. Out of your papa children, that's now let you know they do live video for your side. Wanna share this video for me. Because you got go all they listen to me. I'm not gonna still blame you now. Maybe now why use that to help their children. Okay? Why use that to help their children? Please, guys, help me share this video. I beg. I really need you guys to help me to share. Please, if you are coming here, help me to share. I believe the sound is okay now. You guys can hear me now, right? So please help me to share this video. Thank you. Now, my people, the money where they send for Mumu update through Vera children, may they tell those children, may I tell now Mumu updates. No, Mumu updates. Mumu updates and Fakomozwo, they be the same. The difference between their two is that one don't born, one never born. That is the difference between Fakomozwo and Mumu update. Now, my people, the reason I want to tell you today, maybe I don't know the reason why me, Enogie, I don't support Mumu update that I say make it raise money for their children. The reason why I don't support make Mumu update they raise money for their children, that be this one I want to listen to now. Because since then, we all see the way Sarah and Mumu update till they get their saga, their basketballs. Mumu update say me we believe what they talk for Sarah picking body. Okay, fine and good, we believe. The one where Sarah talk for your body, we go still believe too. You think that you are smart, you are not smart. And because I don't get your time, last weekend. That's why. Oh, God, the Chris. You were normally a you will not see food for us. Then you can do donation for your sister children. I not tell my people. Good afternoon. Me not tell una say Mumu update they do this donation for his own selfish interest. Mumu update they do now. He use Vera children against their mother. Not be say Vera not the same money they go as so. Not be say Vera not the same money they go as. But he instigate those children, make they dislike their mother. Now plan work. Instigator. Even this Sarah now we call the thought say, in so the money not complete when he give those children. Sarah, now you and your brother plan now. Now you and your brother now you plan this thing to take for Vera hand. At the end, now the thing come for me to you Anna. Vera now go they laugh now too. Vera now go they laugh now too. Because when this thing come aside, when I look the people who they do the donation, I quit. I say no. Good afternoon, my people. Please let me to share this video. Thumbs up this video and share. I don't want to take any cost for now. I look the people say, Sarah, Mumu update. And I say, no, these people know if you come and say they want to do donation for Vera children. Alpha Mumu update. Ilajedo for meet you. I want to tell now before I start to play audio, I want to start to explain some certain things to now. What happen? Mumu update. Brainwash for Comoswell. Make the team for look real. Say they want Vera children. They can't go the buy rug, they paint their room to take convince una. How much for rug? How much for paint for Nigeria? I don't be Nigeria with the before you use 100,000, don't do those children room. Finish. Please, can you also go live on TikTok? No, I am live now on Facebook. This is Facebook. And I want to go live on TikTok, I go live on TikTok, but this is Facebook. Please allow me to talk to my lovers. Thank you so much. Now, he can't use that strategy. Way of most cost support him. He can't wait, me support him. Support you for waiting. My people, now Sarah and this Mumu update. Now they bring Vera children on social media 2019. Say Vera no they take off the children. Say Vera get 5 children for Nigeria. Now the same people can't come again 2024. Say they want to have Vera children. I say no. Mumu update say why me go say no? Why me not call the look as he say my papa we no we area no who ana papa we be ye papa so this one we hungry one. They not donate for their papa. Una remember say now me Enogie. Now go record the father bring come and say this man so is a hungry man. John Bosaze is a hungry man. When that time me Vera get issue before me Vera concert to me, I know me where we say me I value friendship. When I say they want to use this thing, they for Vera and I quit. I not to put because why I know say that they don't want to take for Vera and they are not doing it from their genuine hearts. Not knowing say all those money where they donate for Vera children, Mumu of the share 9 to 3. They say you're not hungry. As you're not hungry, then Mumu update. When I see my video, I'll play the video. I'll play the video when they take carry soldier, go beat that one. He even post that for Facebook. He post that for Facebook. Ayo and the rest of Vera children, I go for una, I don't get sense. As una grow rich so, una uncle can they use una against una mother. Una mama they say money can una say not rich. How you go say you they help Vera children? You can't still instigate those children with money. Make the country they insult their mother for social media. They go they donate for them. They go they donate for them. They go they donate for them. It go they talk say, "Mona, not worry." But at the end of the day now, those money it will reach 2 million and 3 million. Till today, till tomorrow, Vera children, no one they work, no one they go school. Now see why I don't support this thing that time. I thank my God to this. Thank God. Say I don't support. He use almost war against Vera. Based on say that one is still out there. That one to a prick. Only wow. Excuse me, guys. 1 minute. Yeah. Hello. Boss. So, my people, help me to share this video. Mumu update, can they use at the help Vera children? Even them may call better, all of them call they pray. Mumu Constance, you know tell say you don't see that video now. When Sarah tell us say Mumu update, he share the money into three. He take two parts, he give the mayo one part. He not even reach one part where he give the mayo. Maybe out of 3 million naira, you give the mayo 200,000. He take the rest. He call the saga me because the saga. Because your mass said no who me la wa. A family oge ya owa. Ya say but you not owa. Lick it. But now you want stop Europe talk. You wear your family background not the okay. Where me look back where was and you want stop Europe talk. Ira go on a bira wagun. Nira lay you are nira soon. Zaga wagmo more update. No ever talk because you take advantage of those children, but you go rip off for photo because those children are boys, and when they grow up, they go deal with you. Yes, because you are smart then. You can't use when they do juju place. Children, when you suppose the same Europe people now, where you say may they not they go Europe talk. Now this same Europe people you crack on give. When you see I say I spread that donation for your hand. Now you can see anybody agree come out, you spread the donation for their hand. Now me want raise money for you. May you give your sister children. When you don't love me, Enogie, wazu avagmo. If I book your father is alive, his children scatter for years. From the senior one to the junior one, none of them they agree. This one and the other one friend, the other one and the other one friend. You see life. So now, my people, we will suffer they play the audio or they listen to them one after the other. Thank you so much, Jamon. Go TV. Please, guys, help me to share the video. More update. Ivabo or Alawegbe. More than go donate for Vera children again. No, not go donate. Or may you donate. Or most will see the things they can't lock up. He lock up because where I go my kind till the day of the quarry. Because if another person, almost will not come and say, hey, how will not do the money? Because now children say they don't see money. Those children never touch money before. They just see 100,000. They begin to insult people who they're not supposed to insult. For even insult their own mother. And then for them say, Now then if you don't see what other pass carry. Nobody don't come as is there now. Come talk say, Mumu update how you do the money. Mumu update more believe what he said I talk. No believe what he talk for Sarah body. They what he said I talk for a body na lie. You decrease. Igoni that money or have view that. Now we go begin to analyze the video one after the other. You know, so now when people quarrel, they know that they bring out the truth of what they do ahead. So we will listen to Sarah now. From Sarah, we will enter Vera, which is their mother. Please, guys, help me to share this video. Next time, if I they talk to her, I go they listen to me. Say, Mumu update, not be better person. The Queen's Talk Show, I see you. Because I tell them this thing from the beginning. Say, Mumu update, now very. The only better person for Mumu update family safe na Vera. If not be say that now we buy the truth matter to children. See now life now. And my papa see their life. I better get it A to Z. Mumu update after you not can stop Europe to again. We might stop a Europe tour. You did the Europe tour, don't finish. Oh, now that musician they come. A bayari, no rere, no back. One mozo, mune Europe tour, now because of me, now I started to do because I hear yes, they bring Aproko, they come my city. And that's when I so say no to Europe tour. Avec Bovo. And that's when I so come begin to cry. Alpha, we know what VSN now. Alpha, our market. When I don't push me now, I don't go register now for finance. I just wait for the letter. I can post and say, I am not permitted to do a show. No more date. Those people not be you call them. You know who's a bit speak Spanish. When my Spanish before, I'm out with Dutch with there. The people will do yes to do the thing. You feel am? So maybe we suffer the listing to Sarah and the rest. Let's go. Share this video, guys. Thumbs up the video and share.
Say for the road to me and now you are none of them. He go tell those one made them forward so money put for so account for Nigeria. He got time to theory. Now the account. The time when you go see set, the road to me go use the amount to come. He's not helping those children. Also what they do, now the money when they use they pay because that thing, people money can die for your eye. Very lazy.
Okay. He was not helping those children. That's why the thing on the pen and say, Enogie we was spoil racket and I spoil am for you. Where they are your boy. Or say the donor can. The saga when I do last year, now the car puts now. Now me want to do again, but now I get your full time. Now I am more well understand. Yeah, for the one a video na more YouTube man. Yeah, for video na area wa back to back. Bring it home. Oh, you me. The girlfriend with the data, the call for that one guy is a bunny. Now me why I tell you. At least I don't see some certain things where your sister don't talk now. When me now go fit in and tell you. If you like for young boy, when my woman now. Either you that way more you spin where you got do ya see Morocco. When you got you that see Morocco, no soon go agno. When you was a guy no give you give me. Agbo man. We better money me yo. We better win me ye. We better got that me kin. We better huevo. Agagbo A to Z why is ozo. Every year say they say the senior one who saga said that yesterday. See you see no life. And I said that now you want to talk. When me day against this donation call, you don't go your brother platform go to saga me. You don't go because all of you need the money. When I call the give John as they make the enrich yourself. Now leave very children make them suffer. On your man. I don't want to go for ayo. Me, I will never pity you. Even if my mama say that you don't forgive you. Now me, I can never donate only for those children because I'll not be baby of 4 years, 5 years. Una know what they do. Una know what they do. Why you wow? Yes, una know what they do. That's why if person are too open for this life, it's no good. See una life now. Una how kuna will be more updated. Don't use now make money in house. It's not concerned now. It was just doing it to get to your mother. But una not get sense to know say, oh, yeah, man. This our uncle want use us against our mother. Una not get that sense. Now, the money don't enter on account finish. Share it too.
Stupid human being.
Guys, no, this is not the first, this is not the second. Anytime you guys lack of money, now they use to take the beg money for social media. And I tell the money, now use the beg money, say shop on or get man, eat the money. I don't know, because what you now do me go work, I go take work. When we never use the beg money, carry the money shop and not give them. How wait to now go do go take work for me, but I don't understand. Meanwhile, me know you may have been, me go now you know they. So when I'm not being anything, I don't get money. Why if you at what do you go? I tell the money, I go get money, I go spend that because I don't get money, I don't lack money, I don't broke. Anytime I'm assist our children, I take they beg money for social media. Anyway, it's just a shame and a pity. I've heard this is his last year. They don't tell me it's his last year. How na take I the shop and lucky send soldier made they beat and they enjoy all body. They don't get see the video. They enjoy all body. You want for say no here. Oh, if for one that they do, who no run for una? Thank God to not buy. That's why I run away from you guys. Share this video. Now when they bad mother. Show now say that they take out the children, but the money when they donate at the shop are. Anytime when they broke, the kind of sister children started to beg money for social media. And after begging with the money, they will eat it, they will collect it from them. Shame on you people that donate to Wahala. We can't anywhere working at Bua. I'm going to go kill him. Kidnapper now got debunk what Sarah talk. She said you share the money into 3 parts, you collect 2 parts. What is the meaning of that? And in the name, people start donating, thinking that it's truth. At the end, that man can me talk. The children don't talk since that still. Now they believe when she talk. They don't tell me since that say collect all the money for their hand. Yes, they don't tell me. They don't tell me now they believe and say that truth she talk. But every time she talk now, like they go ye. Hey, Katie, go walk. Katie, my husband, Katie, I win now. Katie, I win now. Get where I'm after 5, get 4.
You see life. Good afternoon, my sister. When they see life, they see the reason why I not support this thing from the beginning. Shabuna, they see the reason why I not support this thing from the beginning. Una call the feel say me, I be bad person, I not get feeling for those children. No. The mother said that he don't want time because he know people. He know people say this money not go reach the children hand. Then when you use that take for Vera and say, Vera, no, they take care of your children. More updates. You call they look for people who want to donate. Who you want to use? You succeeded in using your muscle because he's a fool. He's a fool. Thank you so much. Diamond, may I pin this comment? You know, they tell them. They're not here. I tell them, they're not here. Omozwo was a fool. That's why if you use Omozwo, you can't use me, man. Come on. You know, if you use me, you can't use me, guy. Because I'm smarter and wiser than you. You think you're smart? You're not smart. Come on. Because I know your plan. I know, say, for you to bring these children, come on. Now, if I use these children, this base weather, go snap where these children they stay. At the end of the day. Now, because the class say they need where they want to stay. I say no. I say no. I say no. Okay? Come on, remove this. Thank you so much. I told them, Yamarie, I tell them, say, Mumu update, go use this thing to get to. Yeah, wait and lie, no gay. And because you not get shoe. How far, where una we donate now? I'm a cat. Okay, market is there, Abi. All right. What would they listen to them?
Yes, since we take Italy, nothing like use 1 naira, 2 naira. All the way to not to proof where for order. Say the truth only in your pan. You never see me we go ne video type we go live video. If we go we make one. Oh my God, we common business now we TikTok you no fit. My husband. But at the if you don't broke where you carry your sister children, not take the collect money. Is the name Mrs. Now make a DNA boy now you know but where?
I beg Frank Omozwo where did they? I beg you will show me the video when you see that TikTok that thing. Me I can't still play for you. Yeah, what do I disgrace here? Me I dey less busy now. Because you see this Vera family. If I see Vera family, how they get up. Not be joke. Yeah, I'm up. The family may giving a more update. Hey, I go fear family wa. I don't want the son Sarah. When Sarah trauma give palace, how many months it did now? I don't know what God the star say without the son Sarah. Sarah is no longer our sister. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna go inside. That's the simple truth. Nonsense. Wow.
Everything when you do, all the problem with that for the family, not be the cousin. Useless elder sister. All the problem was here, not be the cousin. Not be the cousin. If now you see place this time around, everywhere goes poor. I swear with my mother's grave, I be. What I die maybe this time around. Now what? I'm not ready to take care of the children. You guys should be ready because I knew that is what you guys do every day. Anytime you guys don't have money, you call in the name of one use to take collect money. I don't know collect them. Una collect since last year they don't talk as una collect the money for their hands. Kate, you want to say you know yes, say Lucky collect money for them because 12 now. Lucky and Kate is a bed with the same feather flows together. Okpa wa ifaki. Okpa el wa ifaki. Show na donate go where money. Una go see wetin go happen to me. I leave una with Almighty God to judge, because God know the truth, God know the lie, God know they do evil because of jealousy, God know everything, and He's still exposing you on the trickle of a year. He's exposing you guys upon which una do last. Look at where it's going on to Easter, and you say, make I not thank my heavenly God. Osaga we say no ma ofegbe. Osaga we say no ma ofegbe o. Aboga we say no ma ibeta ga me wedo. No ya pon him. I don't understand. Upon the world will go drop Vera. You can't drop me. You know why? Because I don't have that intention to you. I don't have such intention to you guys. Those people don't be there. They find this money for them. They want to collect this money. Most of them come over the cost innocent Enogie on the family. No when Enogie we be talk buwa. Enogie say, I will not use my platform to take. You say no. That person are afraid of Vera. That person are afraid of Vera. But today wait till we talk. Not be the call to pass. When they know, when they talk, they don't get talk. When I said that because Vera and not get down the quarter, they're in a good mood. I don't know what to talk. Like say me, don't know what that they do before. Like say me, don't know them. Abi, about shagoni there, Giano, who one ya. Una mama there they suffer. Most of una papa there they need the money. Una want pay Vera to their market. Now they are not running. They collect all the money. They use it on their own. Tomorrow, let them come out for donation. You must donate. Tomorrow, when they come outside for donation, if you not donate, I'm going to punish you. Unless you work here, let's work here. If you not donate, no time. Since my get, read this until they see. In the name, I don't like Vera. Vera no this. Vera, I'm not going to comment again. I'm not going to comment now. I'm not going to comment because what did I want to talk like?
You they see, when I they tell na something, una feel say I don't know what they talk. Now they feel say me, and see. I know how many people I don't use my platform to help. This year we'll do so. We did the 8th month of the year. I know how many people may not use my platform for TikTok to help. Because I know say yes, they need that. More updates. Agenda. Now to disgrace Vera, use Vera children, collect money, and it succeeded. Choose some gullible, senseless followers who say that they watch more updates. At the end of the day, now I not fit give account. They gang up against Vera, and now they don't scatter. Anyone that has gang up against her, anybody, anyone at all that has gang up against us, may that person scatter like Vera family in Jesus' name. Vera, if I not be Vera family again, may that person scatter like Sarah family, Mumu of the family. I know they really have Vera they join. May that person scatter like Sarah family. The way Sarah family is scatter. If you believe in this prayer, say amen. They gang up against Vera to all of them. The people who gang up against them now, they see their life. Mumu of the when you say your family, how your family say better person family? How? You don't want to say my sister or my step brother come outside the saga, me I call the sagara. We are Zua. Zua nesefi. Vegetable no I go few wedding. Wagmuwehi. Now day Europe more than 7 of them. Go read the one we say it the Nasira. Your father was crying for help. None of them give na papa money. Na me go record na papa bring come outside. They are record the ruwariri. He record the ruwariri before na call the excuse me, before I come the I don't know that I see they send the man money now. That's why I never supported that donation. I wish na Vera come as I say, okay, maybe they donate for the children. Yes, now their mama, I'll support. I'll use my platform to raise money. Yes, I will do it. I will do it. I go for the one. But more of this, God forbid. Now I call the cry for. Or so you no get we. So person with sister throw man give palace. Can't use on collect money for donation. Listen, it's so painful to the people who donate. Not be me. One naira me setting like God forbid. You carry those children go larger too. Carry all those children go larger. just to saga Enogie we. At the end of that market now, your own blood sister now the saga you so. Your own flesh and blood or buwena. A flesh and blood where or buwena. See me, you can't give account on how you give their children their money. You want to give account.
Like the one way they do no, the one way that one they talk like that, but the one they talk about that one are truth. Since una get out, una get here, the reason they hear, una get out, una know the truth and the lie. Why man? Why I beg? Why man comment in having the useless motherfucker idiot people? Una not comment. Now that they run. Now they run for conversation. Shame on you people. See, I'm the Vera. When you think you will see me fall, you will be the one to fall. As far as I don't plan the way against, I don't even know you from Pada. You will be the one to fall. Today I'm here just laughing. Vera, the truth. Lie always want to come out, but you see, truth will most surely intervene one day. Maybe no basse oh, Emata must to Lazio. Emata. Sarah, not be Sarah and they play together that time. Last year for here, when they use the children, they go collect money. So now, no one tell me say Vera lie. Sarah not lie. Because the children use their mouth tell me. Then the best is last year. Even yesterday, they send me voice. I'm got the phone off. I for play the voice no more here.
Okay. Let me read this comment. He said, as long as I see the children for Facebook, I beat them on they do saga again. More update the Facebook when you open for these children. Make these children not go expose them. He blocked those children out of that Facebook. He blocked those children out of that Facebook. This idiot human being. He go with hand down now. No back man with bow hand. You know where God daughter and Becky. Collect their page. After they don't use the erase money finish. Una know the ask very children will get page. Where those children page? Collect their page. Those that they wanna see say they ask very children question for phone. They were talking out of fear. They were talking out of fear. Laje don't bend your neck. See your mouth. Unuwe laje. Nu ya mwe bo gbegbo wa son avance. Ye nu wuje. Ona na bo gbe na. No backman emi gbe akman over here. When emi gbe akman, now you want to stop Europe talk. We be say your own family, you know if you stop them, make them not quarrel. You know if you bring your family together, make there be unity, make they love themselves. Now you, they tell many people for Europe say you want to stop Europe talk. Yes, he collected their page and changed the name. He used those kids against their mother. Thinking say he's smart. It say he's smart. You can only oppress those children now because they are still very young. Maybe they reach 20, 25. And you see within the fair. They will definitely come for you. If my mama sister or my mama brother use me against them when I did small, my dear, if I grow, I can't detect and say they use me against my mom, I'll come for you. Now here's the apple so. Thank God, Baba. I appreciate you, my heavenly Father. See, I don't fall put for this wayo donation giveaway. Where they do that time. I don't fall put. Imagine yo. I mean me low yo. Awa. I mean me low yo. You use Vera children against Vera. Collect their money, don't give them the full money. Because you promise say you carry those children go start school. The one we don't want to start school. If not be me, the second time be they come the social media again, be one call those children take beg money. Oh. If not be me. If be not ready again to carry those children come take beg money. I can say, the money where they give now that they don't finish. I will need time and begin to saga me. If you see what I do, go talk on. If you see what I do, go talk on. If you see what I do, go talk on. Have fun now. I'm market now. Now the sister now the quarry. You say me will believe what you talk for Sarah body, but any everything we say that they talk na lie. Until you give Vera children back the full payment where people give Vera children. A bag model egbe oko vason avant. Even no that we say. Why asa? Even no that say.
When they beg me, say I beg, they don't say they don't feed me. Because they know that is a lie. They knew very well saying a lie. They knew very well saying a lie. Decision got wrong. They knew very well saying a lie. They knew they're not begging. If no one yet
What's up, guys? What's
say I
up?
beg, they don't say they'll feed me. And they lie, they know.
Guys, thumbs up this video for me, guys. I need a lot of like and love. Because I say that they flag my video. I need love and like on this very video, guys. Please. Yes, now. If they defend the children, say they not before one there. So that made these children for not call expose them. Say that talker. They do block TV. Say that tie. Vera now do tie. You know they say they look call and say get the audio. Say now because say phone low. That's why. Guys, I been gonna use love and like for this my page. I beg. I need love and like on this very page right now. When they give me many love and like, yeah, I will tell I say Muna stop. Now say the thing not go the wave again.
No, that is a lie. They knew very well saying a lie. They knew very well saying a lie.
Imagine what did they donate for your sister children? You take half of the money, go use and buy land. So you know balance is all this way when you do Europe. So you know if you balance is all this way when you do Europe, you know soon go wagmo or you down your meme or you jump as a first bank. Now the money where they give their children say take enrich them, take change their life. The one we don't want to go school, take register them for work. Now half you can go to buy land. Now you buy land. So you not get the idea to buy land before. I not tell una say, una way they do this donation, so Mona ask me more update how much input. But some of them call the fees now because me and I get problem. That's why. Even if you say me I'm more update, not even the quarrel. I can never use my platform to raise money for more updates. As fast as I him, I war. Because it I war. Yes, I mean the chooks. You are very right. Mugo update na bad person. Sedekia too is not also a saint. Yes, that is the truth. Sarah bullied off people's children without looking back. You know, even check. Say he go born tomorrow. Only one thing they talk, say they call him Barry. What do you do when they call you Barry? You don't really talk him. They just wake up, they call you Barry. You did something that make people to call you Barry. That is it. Some people, if they want judge matter, they'll go to judge matter from where the matter no dey. Sarah go come back to us, say the reason why they cause children that time is because they call them Barry. Wait till you do before they call you Barry. You just there on your own, people they call you Barry. Now something you do to people's children, we made a talk say you be really Barry. Sarah, if you throw math they give children that time, you know they look back and front. They throw math, they give them anyhow. Paint their picture right away people. But it is short term now. Your younger brother say you're picking up the work. You want to try to prove to the world, say, not lie, say you're picking the work. The way this saga takes sweet me, be say, when I come be same father, same mother. So everything we not to talk, not truth. Because now not to know not safe. Emi fe water and water yawa. And water yawa. That's why they analyze and now say, Vera children money, go give them. How you go take for Vera children money, take go buy land? You know go, you know to donation for your children. Where donation you when soon? Where donation everywhere? Nonsense.
Me, I not get sign because me, I know. Even people, mothers, when God go bless, they call me last year, say, no worry, just leave them. Then make them see me, I not talk, I not swear for that stuff, we leave them. They call, say, they use, some people say, don't fair happen to me. One woman call for UK, he say, don't fair happen to me. One call for America, he say, if your blood sister don't fair do this with we also. One call for Netherlands, one call for Belgium. All of them were calling me, say, just they look. I didn't sit down, fold my hand, they look. But today, okay, they went the hand, call the meet the money when they say they don't give them. When lucky, say me they forward the money to your own account. Say they don't forward that, they will get problem. The second one when they send me the cost, we say no go send. Then he carry soldier, go beat that one. When I want to see video when lucky they beat that boy with soldier. Say they go even kill her. We go though. Video when that one, the tape beat that one, injure that one, soldier beat that one almost die. No, that one clear. They go soldier follow that one, go back, go transfer the money. To Lucky, when I told her, say Lucky and kidnapper, when I say that lie. You know what I do for these bastards? Not many times I don't go release her for prison. This one, when they talk to, that make as they do, you know, they are evil, no, they catch me. They are evil, you know, they catch me. You say they help Pikin, because they use the children against mama, they come outside, they cause their mama. So exactly. Get that sense, say now.
Now you're very talk. You say they help Pikin, you call they use those children against their mother. Maybe they call they saga their mother for their video. And everybody was happy, saying, I like what more they do those children. Next time, we'll not go beat una mama for an outsider. Yes, I like what they do now. We not give una the full money. He use una to collect money from media. Now they do not do shout out again. Almost what God do birthday that day. Nah. Everything before now, they do shout out for people now. Be the girl now on Facebook. Go on Facebook now. Mama na mama, no matter what. That's why I beat my mama sister for my mother. Yes, I go beat my mama sister, my mama brother. I go beat all of them for my mama. She's my mother. She's the reason why I'm alive today. If my mama bought me, I'm not going to be alive today. Now, you say they lie for somebody head. Children we don't care about. Now you they care. Now say they lie. You want to use the children to grow your YouTube channel. You want to use these children now grow your YouTube channel. Now say they lie. You care about the children, not give them the complete money. Now they talk to they lie for their head. All those will never see anything. For her to saga on her mama. Now that mama go fit forgive you now. Me not go fit forgive you now. Never. Someone be small picking. Really? When? Of recent, me all this spend how many hours for TikTok. My money must be Facebook. Diamond God. When that one happen, before I be of recent. Anybody will donate for Vera children again. I will tip you on a pass and lose. Una deft. The one who have donate. More update cut and hit to 2. Say go buy land. Who I knew. Okay. You see life. Can you imagine? I believe that I do people say my I do people can never, ever. They don't go ever donate again for Vera children. I know. It girl that they donate for. If na Vera come outside and say me will help children, it's not easy for me for help. Because 5 children for Nigeria for this economy, so not be small money. We all know say na Vera and the mama will they give the money. Recent. You see, I say, that's what they call the fee say me get cost too. If I help people, then the fee say me myself get cost. If you know I've helped you and I don't collect the vet for your back, God disgrace me for that video. It's evidence of proof. Which therefore matter for start. If the matter not start from there, we go no general opinion. Say more update the full money where people donate for us, say you not give her children. I would like as a matter like that. The larger they go carry the last line now. See the way larger they work for their house. Then the larger now was soon. Share this video for me. Last week
Something.
for
They are
years,
doing it for
imagine.
their own selfish interest.
Last week.
So no. You say the Aproko say okay, they don't get our truth. You consider they use the children, say that they lay us on their mother on social media. So no. Catch you they roll. Lucky you they roll for saga. Lucky you they roll for saga. So now I don't clear for now, honey. When because say yeah, you say they because do you see they use the children they cause their mother. She wanna pretend as soon I don't see everything that time. Social media. Everything day. But today now market is running out because he don't want us to talk about the money that he used the children to collect for people with pity. Anytime they need money, they will use those children to beg for money. Anytime they will blackmail me, they have been doing this blackmail since 2019. Use it to blackmail me. Anytime they are broke, they blackmail. Anytime they are broke, they blackmail. That is why I just say, okay, no problem. Thank God, show us when they donate, they beg, they give them. No problem. Now we date it today. They are crying, beg, they say they know what they did. They use them against me. Now I say, yes, I know. But I'm not get straight to follow no talk. They use my against me. What do you want me to do right now? And if you need something, you need money, call him. Show you see have his number. He say, look, he don't block them. Look for another number to go take join.
Now they see life. I'm so happy say I not join them for this donation. Because I don't forgive myself. No. Yeah, forgive again. You see people like this, Momo Odate, Franco Mozo, they are unfriendly friends. They don't love you. They are if they do it, not only do because of you, they are doing it for their self-interest. See the people who say they want to stop Europe tour. More of it, your own father, their life. See what they are put on. Your papa never buy. See what they are put for our family. Now you get mad at us, say, shame my disgrace whether your family not in my family. You must me, you know your tie. That's why you like my papa. That's that one of okay in ya. I don't like my with your boy on it. This was saga. But you hold the apple for our very eyes. We use our eyes and say, yes, you are so evil. With your magno. You more picture that you want it as soon.
It's a superstar.
It a super story, no. It a send a yagme story. Jumbo says the first back. No, your boy a bielomo no who are fiero. If all of you now, they take care of this man. I for not call this man once, may pick my call. I for not call and may pick my call. You don't even know he love for phone. It a normal wine. When would they donate money for Mama Okesh? He was crying because of me, because I kick against this donation because the thing Pena say, I wish me use my platform, they donate for them. The money for reach like 8 million naira. So as me not can use my platform to donate, and I can't spoil the donation, now you can't verse say anybody make me why, and I say they help people till now. Enough is stop me because they know me. The most useless, dysfunctional family background is more they can't see better right up for your papa family head. People they quarrel, families they quarrel, but you see this now, it's worst. You also they laugh me when they use you how they beat your wife for his ass. Should I call it your wife? You never ever put money for her, so no need to if you refer to that woman as a wife, a girlfriend. See your life. Beragmowe no go ana gbera wa gbon nira fian wo nira sungu wa gbon egbe dan egbe no ri ozanjo wa egbe na yi low. You don't tell me stop. See your family for outside. Una wey they donate, I hear now say they go on Mozo platform. Oh yeah, una go continue the donation for that side. Me for free use that lay foundation. Build us for our head through Vera children. Now, the next pass, if now Vera come out, if Vera come out tomorrow say he don't forgive the children, anyone more raise money for her, I will do it. But you see the way it be now, I will never do it. Those children be not ready to release that money. He send soldiers go. Now hear everything since he send soldiers there. If Papa don't know in-law, you don't know in-law now. That's why I feel call your father. He talk to me as he say I be Vera husband when me and Vera get issue. You don't know in-law, but you know he account for head. Is that not poverty? Is that not poverty? Now let me want the create for my family. For my full family, as we many reach for Europe and Nigeria. Now let me one day media. None of them did media. Now let me one. For your own family, from the senior one, go see your senior sister for TikTok, no go on and bear wagmo. The other two with TikTok in no soon and soon. I don't know what the nurse and Sarah. When Sarah trauma give palace, you come by the form, say you they care. As soon as I come tell you, say me you rest for the matter, you begin to attack me. If you know that, say what if we are soon you are within if we never man. If we never man move here no put down on. That's why you know you are not proud of your children more days. You can't we be more daft you can't we be best safe you can't we be monage BF you. Obi nyamiri na ti omo obi ofie. Take advantage of those children because they be children. You not take advantage of them. And now you can't tell say, you care about the children. Now you scam them, give them small money, collect the big one, go to Bellland. And Vera, that's where Vera will continue to be on top of you guys. Because Vera, children, now there if you see money to Bellland. What you say you wise? No, now the call now. Let me say now get fans. Where any fans proper. Go see how much my fans shower on me for TikTok live. I believe say some of my fans they watch on that day for TikTok. Biagi go see. I've been on not watching my people at the lie. Go see how much my fans pour from my head. Not be 3 days ago now. Be 2 days ago. Alpha. When me fans in all 30 weeks. May you go do boss game, no again. They go wayak bawari. Now manipulate this yeyema made this way for Vera. No more about Vera. Anyway, now manipulator. No more about Vera. Papa they swear for a picking. Blood brother, blood sister, same father, same mother. They fool themselves for social media. Ekbedan. Ekbedan. Me wek biye me ma. Ekbiye me masonona. Ekbiye me ove masonona. Ekbiye me wa masonona o. Biye me masonona. In Egbe. What did they pay me pass stay? This idiot go come out now. All the Tory. But if they feel like for his ass for there, they pain out there. Only you want more that you get one back for family. Okay? You get single mother for family. You get the one we marry with Yakpo for family. Tell me the one we not get for family. Tama menume. Ni wo wawagmo. Omozo ma bego na omozo. You not see this one now.